Arrange in this order before assembly. First, put the gasket on top of the boiler. Then put the glass column. Use clamped to connect by rotating the thread. Put the gasket on the glass column. Then put the defalgamator. Use clamped to connect by rotating the thread.
Need to be tightened to prevent leakage.
Pick up the reducer clamping gasket. Put the gasket, then put the reducer. Same way. Use clamped to connect by rotating the thread. Thermometer thread turns into reducer thread. Pick up the elbow gasket and clean up. Put the gasket. Then put the elbow. Keep the elbow stable. Use clamped to connect by rotating the thread. Same way. Put the gasket, then put the elbow. Use clamped to connect by rotating the thread. Pick up condenser, then put the gasket. Connect the condenser and elbow. Use clamped to connect by rotating the thread. Put gasket on the herringbone adapter. Finally, use KMAP to connect with condenser.